Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your PlayStation 4 controller that is randomly disconnecting. Now the first thing you want to go ahead and try is to turn off your PlayStation 4 and unplug it from the wall outlet for at least 1 minute. So if you have the option, go to power right here and then go to turn off. Do not go to enter rust mode. We want to completely turn this off. Now wait for the flashing light on your PlayStation 4 to stop blinking. Turn it around and take the power cord and unplug this. Then leave it unplugged for at least 1 minute and then plug it back in. Now another thing that we can try is to reset the PlayStation 4 controller. So on the back there is a small pinhole that we want to take like a toothpick or something, and we can hold this down and it will turn off our controller. So as soon as I pressed it, my controller turned off. And then what we want to do is reconnect this. Now you can try just pressing the PlayStation button to reconnect it. Otherwise, use a USB cable just like this, plug it into the controller, and then press the PlayStation button. It's charging right now. If we press this twice, it should reconnect to our PlayStation 4. Now if that doesn't work, what we want to do is completely disconnect our PlayStation 4 controller and reconnect it via Bluetooth. So we want to go up to settings right here and select this. Then go on down to where it says devices. Then go to Bluetooth devices and locate your controller. Now we might need 2 controllers or a TV remote to control our PlayStation 4. So I have HDMI CEC enabled so I can control this. So we want to go to the controller that we're having an issue with, select X on it, then we want to press options on it, and then go to forget device like this, and then go to OK. So you can't do this with your main controller, but you can go to disconnect on it, and then it will turn off your PlayStation 4 controller and then simply reconnect it back to your PlayStation. So if you are having problems, you could try using remote play, maybe a TV remote, select this, and then we want to find the options button on the remote and completely disconnect it from Bluetooth and then reconnect it with the PlayStation button or a cable just like this. So if we are having an issue with Bluetooth, this will probably fix it, and my controller is now connected. Also, if you are using a cable, unless you change the settings, you're going to still be connected via Bluetooth and you'll probably be disconnecting for that reason. So we want to back out of here and then go down to controllers. Then go to communication method and switch this from use Bluetooth to use USB cable. This will also decrease the latency on your controller and make it much more responsive when you're playing games. So switch this and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.